Ladies and gentlemen, I'm extremely excited to announce today that we're launching a very powerful real-time automation feature to automate some of the repetitive tasks of sales and marketing lead management for you. In fact, setting your own rules, you'll be able to automatically tag leads based on what they like. You can put them into certain segments based on what they do on your website. Link to this, you can then route the leads to specific people inside your organization to make sure that the leads get the right contact immediately. You can also then set up your own fully automated point-based lead scoring system to determine on your own rules when a lead is reaching the sales readiness stage. And you have other possibilities such as favoriting certain leads to get more notifications. And of course, we've tied this to our notification engine, and you can then automatically notify the right person inside the organization when a lead is showing certain interest. And running automations inside Saleswings is client driven, which means that it all starts with your website and what your leads really care about and what they want. For example, you may want to decide if somebody visits the partner page or an integrations page or something else linked to partner management, that the partner manager at your company should be immediately assigned and notified. Or you have maybe other pages which are important, such as the pricing page or the contact page. Well, then you want to give an extra number of points because these are showing strong buying signals, and you want to have the assigned sales rep getting an immediate notification to this lead. But also, if you have different product sections, industries, and so on, you can then tag these leads and put them into certain segments for certain solutions or services or products that you have. Now, I'd like to invite you now to go to your settings, and inside the settings, you will immediately notice this new tab called Segments, Tags, Point Lead Score, and Automations. Now, since all these rules will apply to a set of leads, we have organized these automations around what we call segments. So in order to run an automation or run a rule, you can create simply a new segment. And to illustrate how this works, we'll take a very basic rule that we're running here at Saleswings, which is called the pricing page visitor segment. And what you can see here is it's quite logically organized. You have two types of conditions for this rule to run or for people to enter into this segment. Here we have built a rule based on the URL the lead is visiting. So you have different conditions, which will let you discover. Here we're saying, well, if the lead has visited a URL containing pricing more than 0 times, at least 0 times, then I want to run some automations here. For example, I want to send an email notification to the assigned lead owner. I'm also applying a tag, which is the tags that you've seen in the cockpit. So you can either choose then an existing tag you have set or create a new tag with a specific color that you want to give to this tag. You can also then decide on the lead score. Do you want to increase that lead score because it's an important action, decreasing it because it's an action which is not relevant for sales, or set it to a certain level? There's a lot of possibilities you have, and with the same way, you can also then do additional actions. You can mark them as a favorite, assign them to a certain lead owner or contact, and so on. Now, I'm very excited to launch this today. You can hear it. And I invite you to go to the help section where it says watch video and watch some of the additional videos which will help you stay more competitive and use these automations fully in your favor and your company's success. Have a great day and have fun with our new real-time automation feature.